Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Stevenson Ranch local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best experienced long-distance moving services to help make your move so much simpler. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, our team can help. With us, you receive all of the best moving services to make relocating so much simpler. Our experts handle all of the important moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the cost. When you look into the main benefits you gain, the price might be a lot easier to deal with. A good moving company will help you preserve time, no matter how far you're moving. Avoiding the heavy lifting also offers yet another benefit you get from working with the right local movers. Our expert movers provide efficiency with each and every move. If you prefer an efficient moving day, 3 Movers is the proper decision for you. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stevenson Ranch moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.